Today is Wednesday, March 31st. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible gear-driven motor actuator for the convertible top. This is from my friend Dave Hamilton. This is video number 2 out of the 2 video set. This is the fully assembled embodiment, which has been fully rebuilt, both the motor and the gearbox. And we'll be looking at the drive pinion on both sides of the gearbox as I apply power and we do a functional validation test. Go ahead and reverse it. There we go. This is the high velocity, high torque, original vintage 1976 Cadillac Eldorado convertible top motor 504 5632 22173B rendition. And this will be going to my friend Dave Hamilton as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1978 Cadillac Eldorados. Over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, power door lock actuators, the power motors for the convertible tops, and other critical hard to source original vintage Cadillac items.